Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive insurance how to pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to pay progressive insurance, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in progressive.com, and once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your progressive account. And once you're logged in, what you need to do is simply navigate to the bills and payments. Then once inside, you can choose one-time payment or set up automatic recurring payments and payments method as it's credit or credit card, checking account, savings account, and after payment you will get an email notification or confirmation and your account will update instantly. You can also pay by phone by simply tapping on the contact us option, and then once tapping it, you'll be provided with the number and have your policy number and payment method ready, and payments can usually be made 24/7 by automated system with a representative. You can also pay by mail by tapping on the more contact options and then tap on send email. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.